And welcome to 22 News at 5:30. I'm Don Shipman.
And I'm Ciara Speller. As 22 News keeps observing, the COVID-19 vaccinations have transported people into a better frame of mind about the pandemic.
And now, as 22 News reporter Cy Becker has uncovered, more of us are planning a vacation.
Doreen Coakley Rodriguez has noticed an upturn in her travel business, Doreen's Going Places travel service. She credits the newfound positivity that flows from people worrying far less once they've received the vaccine.
People feel more comfortable. They're actually trusting in the government to move on and to go past and start to go on vacation. They're tired of being home. They're tired of sitting in their backyards.
As Doreen's travel service hears from more of her clients, a pattern has emerged, pointing the way to the most popular destinations for those of us who need to get away.
A lot of people want to go back to the Caribbean. They're starting to look at Europe, but Europe's not open up so as much as the Caribbean has because, needless to say, a lot of transition and safety for the United States.
So as the COVID-19 vaccine has many of us seeing the light at the end of the tunnel for the pandemic, it's also putting into sharp focus the necessity of getting away and enjoying a long-deserved vacation. Working for you in Springfield, Cy Becker, 22 News.
Well, several more communities have been removed from the state's high-risk red category for infection.
22 News reporter Mike Mascadrelli is live in Springfield tonight, one of 3 in our region that remain in the red.
Yeah, Springfield, Chicopee, and Southampton are now the only communities left in the red. But we found out even though they have a higher transmission rate, these communities don't have any further restrictions. Now, keep in mind, back in mid-January, that was at its peak. Massachusetts had 229 red communities, and that number is now down to 28, with just 3 of them being in western Massachusetts. The state's overall test positivity rate is also under 2% now, but it is higher in red communities like Springfield. Regardless of the community you're in, health experts are urging everyone to stay just as vigilant in order for us to keep making progress.
Everybody should still be following masking and distancing and limiting their interactions. But we do know that those communities that the rate of the infection could be a little bit higher, so people should be aware of that and monitor their activities perhaps just a little bit more so.
And when it comes to restrictions for businesses, Dr. Roos reiterated that there are no differences for communities that are in different color categories for infection. Well, here in Springfield, the COVID positivity rate is 5.6%, but that is still significantly less than in some communities out east where it's about 9%. Working for you live in Springfield, Mike Mascadrelli, 22 News.